Questions remain about whether Hope Christian Elementary followed protocol when reporting accused sexual abuse from one of its teachers.
Reporter Jason McNabb shows us what state law says is supposed to happen in these incidents.
Kelly McEachran is a 5th grade teacher at Hope Christian Elementary, and he's being accused of serious crimes. Court documents say he sexually abused an 11-year-old girl during class during the 2024-25 school year. While the accusations were reported back in April, he's now being formally charged. Let's break down the timeline of the reporting of the allegations. According to the details in the court document, the allegations were first reported to the school on April 6th. On April 7th, McEachran was placed on administrative leave after the school confirmed the details of the allegations with the victim's parents. This is also the day that police first spoke with the parents, responding to a child sexual abuse call. Then, the next day on April 8th is when police then spoke with Principal Robin Taylor. That means at least 24 hours had passed between the time the abuse was reported to the school and when police spoke to the victim's parents.
The state law in New Mexico about reporting child abuse is a mandatory reporting requirement on anyone who knows that there is a potential situation of abuse. And the statute reads that that report shall be made immediately.
KOAT legal expert John Day says if the school delayed reporting the abuse, they may have violated state law. However, it's not clear what the word immediately actually means in the statute.
Does it mean the minute that report comes from a young student, a minor, to a school official? Are they supposed to call 911 right away, or do they wait and consult with lawyers and do their own investigation? We don't know what happened.
In this email sent out to parents, Hope Christian did say they've been, quote, aware of the allegations since they were initially made, and that they've been actively working with and cooperating with all authorities and parties involved. We reached out to Hope Christian Elementary Principal Robin Taylor to see when exactly they reported the abuse to police.
Welcome to Hope Christian School.
But she didn't pick up. She didn't respond to our email either. KOAT has also reached out to APD to see if and when the school reported the abuse, but we have also not heard back at this time. Jason McNabb, KOAT Action 7 News.
McEachran is being charged with criminal sexual penetration and contact of a minor. His lawyer told KOAT he denies all of the allegations. A motion to cancel his arrest warrant was also denied by a judge today.